What's up, guys? Welcome back to BigLogan channel. I'm your host, BigLogan. So today's episode 4 of the Ram Pro Master conversion here. This is Pegasus. We're fully converting her into an adventure van. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome aboard. Today we are updating you guys. It's been a while. Working on all the upper cabinets, working on the cabinetry for the kitchen sink, the gas stove top, trash can, and we're also working on our refrigerator, cabinetry, junk drawer, shoe cubby, and some more inside furnishings. So great episode. Can't wait to show you guys all this. Get caught up on the build series here. Let's get this episode started. All right, guys, we're back in here. Another hot day, a little bit rainy, so I'm cutting inside. We got our Baltic butcher block from Lowe's. It's a 2-foot wide, 8-foot long, 1.75 inch thickness slab. So this is gonna do all the countertop that we need in the van. That's about it. Let's get cutting. Let's get building. Might even get into the cabinetry today. We'll see how time plays out. Let's rock, baby. All right, success. First cut's down. Not too many splinters here. That's awesome. One thing I forgot to mention, if you guys did have questions, I got a brand new 40 tooth construction / finishing blade. Ran that all the way 2 inches down through the circular saw for the 1.75 inch cut. Pretty stout. So yeah, this is for the sink and the burner. Next is the portion that's gonna go over the shower. Let's get back into it. So now what I'm doing is prepping for the cabinetry that goes around this beautiful isotherm fridge. So I'm working with 3/4 inch plywood, and I'm over here getting ready to assemble the actual box. Without further ado, it's time to build a box. Let's get to it. We're back at it now. We're making the cabinet structure for the sink and the cooktop that's going right here by the front door. I have to talk to my wife first, but I think we're gonna make a door under the sink here that will have access from the outside for a trash can, and then it'll have a regular cabinet door. It'll have a regular door under the sink as well in here to get to the trash can. So you get to the trash can from the inside and the outside. The other nice thing about this piece of board is that it's gonna trim out the cargo door seal. So you can see I penciled down here, and it will actually come out and butt right into this for a nice clean transition. So that's next up. I got my toe kicks cut in for that vanity for the cooktop and the sink, some spacer boards, and I'll check back in with you guys once we get it all assembled. Oh yeah. All right, check it out, check it out. Here she is. We got the trash can access, flip down door for a nice little outdoor table in here. We're ready to slide it in here, so. Slide her back. Look at that. Man, that looks a lot better than I thought it was gonna turn out. This will get a piece of corner trim, and all this stuff, guys, is rough cut. It needs to be puttied, sanded, trimmed out. Man, I am pumped. Now I get a good idea of the walk-in shower area. Very roomy. This is going to be awesome. I got the fridge bench up top here, and I'm making vent holes for this unit for the fridge. So I'm just routering those down, let the fridge breathe. Faceplate's gonna get tacked on after that. It's all prepped to get installed. Let's do it. Right. Fridge is in, it's looking really good. The vents are in on the side over here, nice and lined up with the cooling system. And we have a decent gap around the edge and the back, all within spec from what Isotherm recommends. One thing I added, a routed gap down here. That way the shoes may dehydrate with any hot air that might try and circulate around here in the shoe cubby. Got a little bit of weight in it. Nice soft close. Drawer number 1 of 4 is done. All 3 are in, baby. Yeah, back at it again here. Today I'm working on the upper cabinets. So spent a good couple hours making a solid template and putting up our simulated ceiling and wall paneling. And this fits up here just right. So I'm gonna have a large cabinet all the way up to the front over the driver's head. This will house a microwave here, and decided to end it right here, 73.5 inches. So it gives me 2 24-inch partitions dividing the microwave on the center. And then after that, all the way back on that same side is going to be a little bit shallower overhead cabinet that runs all the way down. This side over here is just gonna have that shallow one, real short run right here. And that'll house the flip up shower curtain over the shower pan here. So yep, time to get building these. I already started with the bulkheads. So the bulkheads are cut out. They are going to support 1, 2, 3 members to run all the way down. Give me a nice flat front to work with to do my face frame. So these are gonna be face frame cabinets just like the kitchen vanity and the refrigerator cabinet. And then I have end caps here, block off at the ends of each with no holes, so those will just get nailed in on the end. So time to get building this thing, size it up, see if the microwave fits. Let's do it. We've got the large section upper cabinet that goes over the fridge and countertop here, and then the shallower piece here is a 2-drawer piece that just goes right up there. Pretty shallow, but once you get drawers in and close it all in, it'll be a nice little decent amount of storage. So we definitely wanted it. Pick out what type of storage you want. We're gonna have less overhead storage. We're gonna have more under bed storage here. We are compromising by not adding a larger cabinet like this all the way down. Now some people can fit under there. I'm a big dude, so I'm planning when I sit up from the bed here, I don't want to crack my head off a cabinet. So we're actually just gonna finish out cabinets on this side, right around here and over for the flip up door to get in this shower. The shower head will be hard mounted behind that drawer when it shuts. So I'm gonna build this last overhead piece, show you guys that. Let's get back to it. All right, and there's overhead cabinet number 3. Looking pretty good right there. Door will flip right up. Next thing to do is build out all the faceplates for all these guys, and that's the next step in this cabinet build. Got the faces all face framed out rather. Microwave fits in here great. Show you guys that soon. And now I'm off to making the shaker cabinet fronts, drawer fronts for all these. Follow me over here. I've already got a shaker done for each of the sliding drawers. Those are kind of easier to start with because I'm not really working with hinges. So those are going up, looking pretty nice. They will have a center on them. I'm just gonna router in the back here and put plywood in behind it. I'm not actually gonna do slots, so I'm just gonna router in from the back with rounded corners plywood. So that's coming up soon. All right, there they all are. So we got all these 9 done. Bringing these in for wood filler. And we got Pop over here sanding. Free labor. Yeah. Doing a good job. Those will be ready to paint here tomorrow. So it's still raining out. And we're gonna get all these sanded and prepped. Paint tomorrow.
I think you have a sawdust in your eye.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're back to it, and we are painting. This is called Summer Gray. How lovely.
All right, look here, Annalisa. Actually, do look at me. Logan, you too. Logan. You are not smiling.
Mother's here now.
Oh, stop.
Dad yesterday, Mom today, hanging out. We're just watching Goobs paint away.
Watching paint dry, literally.
Goobs got her painting clothes on. You look so colorful today, babes.
She made her shirt, and she made my shirt. It was one where your belly sticks out.
That's my mom. That's not me when I was a kid. That's Mimi. That does look like me when a kid. Do you have me as a kid in the
I
picture?
know. Huh?
Babe, look at that picture. It looks like me with long hair. And let's see what we got. Oh boy, cats are loose. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Oh boy, I make dope, but don't come no boy, say no fucking motion, bitch.
Just like that, the last hinged door is on. I think I might have one more in the van at the partition going back to the garage, but we'll do that one later in the project. Check all these out right here. Looking great, looking great. Here's that recessed lip. Looks like a regular shaker cabinet front, but then it does open up completely with no bottom. And again, that'll be for our convertible shower. So those are looking great. Highly recommend this jig. I've never built cabinets or done hinges like this before, but check these out. They went in great, right over top the pocket screws as well. Use this Craig jig here. Shout out to Uncle Andy, finally got my Forstner bit like you were talking about on the first episode. Really nice sharp bit. That just goes right on the face frame. So very consistent, helps keep both these hinges square and true to each other. And this thing is dead nuts. Love it. Another day, another dime. So back at it again here. We've got an update for you guys. Got the kitchen vanity in. Got this beautiful swinging door installed, painted, ready to go. Got the little latch over here. Closes up nice and flush. That door covers that perfectly. This line looks great and clean. And we've got the vanity in here and the fridge cupboard. So here's the fridge cupboard with the butcher block sized up, cut to size. And here is the convertible shower area and the kitchen sink and cooktop area. So all that sized up. You can see it's a pretty big space. This is a big removable piece. So what I'm going to do to lighten this up is hollow it down with the router on the underside. And so that's the next step, as well as tracing out and cutting for the drop-ins for the burner and sink. So a couple more steps before sanding and staining these bad boys, so let's get to it. All right, guys. This is the layout. So it looks awesome. Got the single burner right here. We're gonna put a 1 pound propane bottle inside of here, besides some utensils and silverware. Just run that locally off the propane. And here's our 15 by 17 inch, it's called a Torva stainless steel sink with the strainer. And we've also got a really popular vanlife Amazon sink faucet. So black accents, black hardware, and it's looking right. So I gotta sand and stain all this. But guys, that's a wrap. This has been quite a big step in the van build. So it's taken a long time. I want to consolidate all the different cabinetry components here, vanities, into one vlog for you. So I'm gonna stop here, get you updated on the final install of these in another episode. But hey guys, really appreciate you watching. Thanks for joining along. FYI, BigLogan channel just hit 4,000 subscribers today. So I posted 12 videos. The one you're watching now is number 13. Really appreciate the support and the great feedback, and it definitely drives me to keep the quality going. I hope you guys enjoy them as well. Leave your comments below. Like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to BigLogan channel today, guys. We'll see you on the next episode. Peace.